You can buy a tablet for only 3 days of living expenses. It is our protagonist today. Xiaomi Mi Pad 2 for $50. Products in November 2015. 10 years have passed. Equipped with Intel Atom X5 Z8500 processor. Then it means he can flash into the Windows system. Let's take a look at today in 2025. How else can it perform? First, look at the appearance. Front 7.9-inch screen. This is an LCD 2K screen. Display delicacy. No screen flicker. Xiaomi logo in the top left corner. To the right are the sensors. 5-megapixel front camera and breathing lights. Classic 3-diamond buttons at the bottom. Long bar volume up and down and on and off keys on the right side. On the top left is the Alien Technology 3.5mm headphone jack. Bottom Type-C charging interface. Back metallized integrated body. Faster heat dissipation. 8 million rear camera on the left side of the top. No bumps. Can be laid flat on desktop. Dual speakers at the bottom. The entire fuselage can be held with one hand. The weight of 322 grams is relatively thin and compact among mobile tablets in 2025. For daily office application performance. Open Word and Excel, and handle some work things without any problem. For system reasons, watching videos is not satisfying, but you can download some small movies with USB flash drive, read directly or import directly into the system. It is a good choice to pass the time on a business trip. Vipo dual speakers are pretty good. Also works as a subwoofer in the shower. Next, put on your headphones. Let's take a look at its sound quality. As a Windows tablet, playing some small games is definitely indispensable. Let's look at his game performance. Since it supports perfect touchscreen drivers, then you can play some games without an external keyboard and mouse. For example, Plants vs. Zombies Hybrid. And our childhood memories, classic Plants vs. Zombies and Fruit Ninja. Summarize a very good tablet. Neat daily office and audio-visual experience. It's also pretty good to play some childhood games. The disadvantage is that the memory is too small. If you do not upgrade that memory, opening more than 2 applications will fill up memory. So that's it for this video. Love the tablet, and communicate with me if you have any questions. I will do my best to answer its questions for everyone.